really have plans like talking to him about it. Kasi what is there to talk about?
Ang pagiging matatas sa pananagalog ay nangangailangan ng panahon at pagtsatsaga. Naiintriga kasi si Sam Pinto sa umano'y hirap niyang pagsasaulo ng kanyang mga linyang Tagalog sa pelikulang Boy Pick Up.
Just to clear things out, kasi before this whole showbiz thing, English talaga ako. Hindi talaga ako nagtatagalog. So, pagdating dito sa showbiz, lahat Tagalog, parang nasa-shock yung brain ko. Now, ang galing ko na sobrang mag-Tagalog. So, I'm so proud of myself.
Paano naman natututunan ang pagharap sa mga intrigang ikinakapit sa kanya? Si Sam kasi ang itinuturong third party sa hiwalayang Derek Ramsey at Angelica Panganiban. Nalathala kasi sa isang blog site na magkasama sila ni Derek sa Australia noong Holy Week.
Parang blind item. I forgot anong yung title, but I started with that. So everyone was assuming it was me. And then, when I was asked where was I going for Holy Week, sabi ko I might go to Australia. Which is, I never went to Australia. Kasi my mom was like, you should stay here with all the FHM thing going on. You have to be seen. So I was like, okay, sige. I just stayed here for Holy Week. I spent time with them in Batangas. And then, so yun. So hindi ako yun.
Hindi rin daw sapat ang minsang pagtatrabaho nila ng hunk actor para machismis silang dalawa.
I don't know his number. He doesn't know my number. And we only worked once. And then that was it. Parang we never saw each other again.
Apektado ba si Sam sa pagkakadawit sa kanya sa Derek Angelica breakup? Lalo't marami ang kanyang Twitter bashers.
For me naman kasi I know the truth. Ang dami na nagbabash. Sobra. Parang, hello, may proof ba kayo nung nandun ako? Wala naman, di ba? Ang dami sa Twitter. Oh my gosh. Kaya ikaw pala yung dahilan na gumaganon sila. Ano ba?
Balak ba ni Sam na kausapin si Derek tungkol dito?
For me, I don't know. I don't really have plans like talking to him about it. Kasi what is there to talk about? I know the truth, so Kebs na lang, bahala kayo. To all of you who was assuming it was me, that was so not me, because I was just here in the Philippines with my family, spending time with them in Batangas. I never went to Australia, never been to Australia. So I'd love to go there. I heard it's a beautiful country. But still, it wasn't me. Relax lang kayo, guys. Yun lang, chill lang kayo.